The CSRD, or Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, is the new European directive that redefines how companies should disclose their environmental, social, and governance information, also known by the acronym ESG. But what is it exactly? The idea is to enhance transparency on non-financial information so that investors, regulators, and also citizens can better understand the risks and opportunities related to ESG criteria. For example, we talk about environmental impact, such as greenhouse gas emissions, social issues, such as diversity and inclusion, or governance practices, like combating corruption. By extending its scope, the CSRD replaces the Extra Financial Performance Statement, the DPF in France, and the Non-Financial Reporting Directive, the NFRD in Europe. Now, all large European companies, whether they are listed or not, and even some publicly listed SMEs, must comply with these new requirements. The criteria to be considered a large company: you must meet two of the following three criteria: more than 250 employees, more than 50 million euros in turnover, or more than 25 million euros in total balance sheet. To standardize disclosed information, the CSRD introduces the European Sustainability Reporting Standards, ESRS. These standards cover ESG topics and apply to all sectors of activity. The reports will also need to be verified by an independent third party. The objective is to enhance the credibility of the information. A key innovation of the CSRD is the so-called double materiality approach. This means that companies must not only report on the impact of sustainability issues on their activities, known as financial materiality, but also on the impact of their activities on society and the environment, called environmental and societal materiality. For example, a company must both assess how climate change could affect its operations and how its emissions contribute to that same climate change. This more holistic approach aims to provide an overview of the real issues related to sustainability. The deployment of the regulation will happen gradually, with a first phase of implementation for those already concerned by the NFRD, followed by the gradual activation of different thresholds. The CSRD marks a major step forward toward a more sustainable and responsible economy. Although it may pose a challenge in terms of adaptation, it also offers opportunities to enhance transparency and improve the competitiveness of businesses.